What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Jeep Renegade flip key remote fob. This Jeep Renegade key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So in order to change the battery, what we're going to do is grab our key fob, and if we hold it with the buttons facing down, this whole back piece right here is going to come off, this whole piece that says Jeep on it. So if we come down here near the key ring, most of the time you can just get this off with your fingers just by kind of peeling this cover back like this. If you're unable to do that with just your fingers, you can get a flathead screwdriver and get in here and help pry like this. But again, most of the time it's pretty easy. It comes off just like that. Either way, once we get that cover off, we see our battery right here. In order to get this battery out, I'm going to grab a small screwdriver and just get under the edge of the battery like that. Pop it out of that holder. Then I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to tuck this bottom piece, if we're holding it like this so the key ring's on the bottom, I'm going to tuck the bottom edge of the battery in like that, and then snap it into place. Then we can snap our back cover on. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.